Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am just doing some odd jobs around the house. Right over here I have my pressure canner going with some red kidney beans to put on a shelf, and that has 16 minutes left to go. And then I bought some pineapple, so I want to can up some pineapple as well, but we're just going to water bath can this. So what I'm going to do is I just have my jars here, pineapple here, some water there. Okay, so I have my jars, my pineapple, and I have citric acid here that I'm going to put in with them so that it kind of keeps its color a bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up the pineapple into chunks. I've already kind of taken it out of the core, and I'm just going to cut it into chunks. And then put it in the jars with some water. It's a really sweet pineapple, so I'm not going to worry about adding some simple syrup or sugar water with it. This is about 4 pineapples. Now I do have some pineapple juice in this bowl, and I'll put some in each one if I can get it in there. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 jars. I think that I'm going to keep, because I think only 7 will fit in my canner. So I'm going to keep 1 aside. And then I'm going to put 1/8 of a teaspoon of citric acid in each jar. And then I'm going to fill the jars up with water. Once I do that, I'm just going to take this like orange peeler thing and just take the bubbles out of the jars here. Just move this stuff around. Then I'm just going to take some hot water on a paper towel and wipe the rims. And put the lids on finger tight. Now I'm just going to take my stock pot that has my canning bottom on it, my little plastic protector. I put a little bit of vinegar in there. And I'm just going to put all the jars in because the jars are pretty cold, so I'm just going to let them heat up with the pot. So I'm going to let this come up to a boil, and I'm going to let it boil for about 10 minutes. 15 minutes, and then I'm going to turn it off. So the pineapple's now done in the water bath canner. So I'm just going to take them out, set them aside, and let them cool. And then tomorrow I will take the rings off and label them. They look like a really nice color. That's why I put the citric acid in it, because it's supposed to help the color. Same with my peaches. my peaches are still really nice, the color of them. Gary's gonna use this stock pot tomorrow to make chili, so I'm gonna run it through the dishwasher for him. That's why I wanted to get this canned up today. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video of just canning pineapple. It's pretty easy to can if you're just getting started, and yeah. So like if you do, subscribe if you can, share if you want, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.